welcome back to another video. Today we're I can't focus. I am doing a collage with my friend Kaseef.
Kaseef.
His video is down in the description below.
Her house is so huge. I'm in a mansion right now.
I don't have a huge house. All right, so you get one blue and one purple, okay?
Okay.
And the spoon's right here. So
What kind of glue is this?
glitter glue. Elmer's glitter glue. I was reading it to you on the
So
back.
this is meant for slime?
Yeah. I did a ton of times.
See, slime used to be so appreciative.
Yes.
They made this all for
We're
you.
gonna also do a video on his channel.
About
so we're
fries.
gonna fill the fries. We're gonna do a gummy versus food challenge in a little bit for his video.
I'm gonna look so
No
fat
more
by
fries
the
for you. I get the fries now because I'm hungry.
You're gonna take all the fries. Okay, I'm starting off with blue.
I'm starting off with purple.
Opposites. I can't open this.
If you're wondering where I got the glitter glue, I got from Walmart, okay? We were actually trying to find the jug of glue.
May open this, please. I can't do it.
Oh, dang it. Actually, oh, wait, never mind.
So you don't have little arms.
So, guys, before, he kept on calling me noodle arms, and he couldn't open a bottle of glue, and it was funny.
That's because I got it ready for you.
You got it ready for me, guy. Oh, dang, man.
I'm gonna break my
We're
back.
not doing it professionally, just so you know.
I am a professional.
Doing a little jam session over here. Alright.
So do we mix them together?
Yeah, we mixing them together.
Just let it all out, man.
Let it all out.
Just let it all out.
Guess what I learned today from my mom?
That you gotta let it all out.
You always burp. Oh, dang, I spilled the fries. No touchy.
She's hugging the fries to herself.
Fine, here's some fries. Alright. So, if you're wondering where our activator is, it's right here.
Activator
I'm using Persil
for sale.
because I got something on my throat. I don't have any borax. You should know that.
Oh, I opened it. I guess I was trying too hard. Because I just did it by accident and then it just came on. This is my
Burning
first time
everywhere.
drinking Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, I'm so just really mad at him because he hasn't drank is it drink? How do you pronounce it?
Drunken?
He hasn't drinking Dr. Pepper in his life.
I see my hand in the mirror.
So this is like his first time drinking.
I'm touching this
Pepper.
thing.
Oh, and by the way, happy birthday.
My birthday was yesterday.
I know. Happy late birthday. His birthday was yesterday on the 16th, so
Yeah.
say happy birthday to him. It's December 16th if you don't know and you're just watching this in a time lapse.
Well, today's the 17th.
Today's the 17th. We were playing this
And
stuff.
Atlanta's going to be out of town.
I'm going to be out of town on Tuesday through the 29th. I can't get this out.
Good. See? That's why I call you noodle arms. You got to push it real good.
Alright, I'm going to mix mine together now.
You got to be salt and pepper, okay?
I'm not using my hands. I'm using spoons.
Okay.
Alright. This is what my slime looks like
Well,
so
hold
far.
on.
It's so beautiful.
Mine is beautifuler.
Mine's the most.
Mine is
the most beautifulest.
Mine is burper.
Oh, look at this! It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh, it is so
It's
pretty.
like a hat.
It's like a galaxy color.
Yeah, it's like a gift. You didn't put your caps on.
See, look, mine look prettier. See all that sparkles.
Oh, pretty.
You can do. Now I'm thinking of Friday.
His is turning purple. Mine's turning a prettier purple.
Yours is turning galaxy color.
I'm sorry, man.
She's
That means
not
you didn't
sorry.
put enough blue in there. I didn't put enough.
Oh,
He didn't, see? He didn't put enough blue in there. I put
I
like
had,
a
like,
whole...
this
oh, wait.
much left.
Never mind. I have the same, like, much.
yeah. Oh my
Look
gosh,
how
mine gonna be beautiful.
No, mine's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, your house is so huge.
I'm hungry.
I wonder if this kind of glue will be edible.
It says that it's non-toxic. Don't!
I wasn't going to eat it. I was going to smell it.
Oh man, that looks so pretty. It doesn't, you don't see like the thing. I added my detergent into there. Now I'm just mixing it. It's clumping together!
Oh my gosh, it is clumping.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm more proud.
I, Elena Toribio, known as Aqua Toribio, will soon enough have slime. Don't want to add too much. I think I
My slime is beautiful. Just look at that. It's...
don't know. Ugh, it feels weird. Don't. I looked at his lips and he had a whole bunch of just
See, this can be used as...
non-lipstick.
Yeah, lipstick.
Get it now from Walmart and only at Walmart.
Kaseef's creation.
It's called Kaseef's Elmer Glue Creation. Don't copyright us, okay? Please don't. I don't have any more money. Don't add too much.
I'm a pro at adding stuff. See?
I'm just mixing mine over here.
Just look at this.
Look how pretty it is. I like the prettiness.
Mine is prettier.
Don't show them the background, man.
Background.
Background. Your hand's in the way. Put it down. You knocked over the spoons.
Yay. Poor spoons. They should get
Should I put
forks.
this?
I'm going to fork these spoons.
Mine's not really stretchy.
It's sliming.
I think I might have messed mine up.
Yeah. In some way, you definitely.
I know, right?
We must have not had.
No. You gotta keep yours sticky.
Okay.
You have to
Maybe-
have yours sticky. at
Oh,
least.
look, I actually got a little bit more glue in here, too.
I already ruined my hands.
See, it's like impossible to get these out. I'm going to just have it upside down like this until it comes down.
I made slime at the side of it. Guys, look at my slime.
Mine is better.
That's kind of mean.
I'm sorry.
Exactly. You're always sorry. I'm gonna make him feel sorry every time. I ruined my slime in a way. I'm kind of sad about it though. I was really hoping.
Excuse me.
Why are you burping?
Because Coca-Cola was mean to me.
Yeah, it's mean to you because you were cheating on it.
With Dr. Pepper.
I know.
I'm sorry.
I
And
somehow
Pepsi.
just like messed this all up. I'm kind of mad about it. I was having the greatest time in my life.
I wasn't. I'm kidding.
Look, guys, my slime.
That's disgusting. Yours look like poo.
Why is this yours better?
Okay. Judge this. Oh, crap.
That's not nice. Don't say bad words. Not on my channel. I gotta go get some paper towels. Enjoy Kaseef's commentary.
Commentary? Okay, so am I a comedian now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, I got a great joke. Okay. When Goku Black asked to go back, why wasn't he able to go back to his original body, huh? Because once you go black, you don't go back. That was a pun. Oh, my hair look good.
Elena's back. Oh, snap. What'd you do? I felt like you did something.
No, I did nothing. I just sat here and waited
Ooh,
for you
get
to
some
get back.
water. I think my slime needs more water.
Yeah, no, your slime needs some milk. You don't get it, child.
You don't get it.
But
It's okay. It's okay.
You know you're. No, you don't. You're mean to me. You said I'm a. You said I'm a. Hold on. Let me make something up real quick. She said I'm a. She said I'm a moose. She said I'm as fat as a moose. She said I'm a deer on steroids.
I never said that. Who said this?
Mine is still not done. See, this is how I put it.
Mine's really hard. It's sticking to the bowl.
Mine is slime.
Oh, lucky. I'm
See?
thinking of throwing away my glue.
Men know how to do it better.
That is not true.
Hey, women are smarter.
Yeah, but guess what?
What?
Guess who invented slime? Girls. Yeah.
But boys perfected it.
How?
Yeah.
How?
Because we were boys.
Still gotta mix yours.
Look at this slime. I'm gonna get it all over my hands.
I'm starting over.
With that little bit of glue.
No. We got some more, guys.
Oh, you got more?
Just work with me. I told you that
Mine
we were
is
gonna make
good.
this work.
Mine is galaxy color.
I'm gonna make it. I think galaxy. Come on, man.
I'm gonna
Work
put.
with me. Work with
Okay,
me, man.
you know what I said to them?
What?
I put a little bit of this on our slime. I mean, on our fries. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
There we go. Finally, it's dripping.
So is this.
You're just way better.
I know, right?
I'm gonna be more.
I'm Kaseef, so my slime is always going to be better.
Dream on, kiddo. Dream. Kiddo. You
I
know
am a-
you're older
I am-
than me.
I am a grown man.
He's 13.
13. I'm older than you.
I'm still 11. Yeah, but you're shorter than me.
Okay, you got me there. But next time,
He's lucky. He gets to be short. I want to be short.
okay, we can switch bodies.
No,
Okay.
I still want to be a girl.
Ooh, I don't want your parts.
Alright.
I'm gonna back the camera up a little. No, you need to back it up. I still got stuff on my hand.
Alright, there we go.
I can't see your big face.
Yeah, because I was standing up.
Yeah,
This
you're
has already been 12 minutes. I need a spotlight on me. One sec. I gotta lift this thing
Okay,
up.
you want spotlight on you? Okay.
There we go.
I'm a spotlight, so yeah.
I'm mixing.
How does it feel?
I added water to mine. I feel like this is coming together.
Okay.
Yours is way better, man. You just gotta add like the tiniest bit more.
Elena, show them your slime. Is this a web floating in the air?
That's a little bit of like, so if you like put a little bit of glue in your hands and you keep on like doing this a lot, then it'll soon enough make little tiny like strings just fly into the air.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, like those. That, I don't know what you can
Here,
do.
want some of my slime?
I'm good.
I'll give you some.
No, I want some.
Okay.
Just let it drip in there. Don't touch it. I feel like it's coming together even though I didn't put the little tiny piece. Oh man, you almost missed the bowl.
Yo, how do
Believe
you...
in me.
how do-
Believe in me.
Okay, I believe in you.
There's enough. I was being so quiet. I feel like this is working out just the way I want it to.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it is. Look, it's coming together. I feel proud. I feel like a proud mama.
I did it on the first try. This is real slime, okay? This is why you never buy Elmer's glue.
No, you need Elmer's glue to make it.
No, you
Just
don't.
don't use Elmer's wood glue. It never works. I already tried it like 15 times.
Wood glue. This is so sticky.
What do
This is
you
so
do?
sticky on my hands. It flew
It's
on my
supposed to
arm.
be sticky.
No,
Here,
it's
I'll add a
not.
little bit more.
It's supposed to be slime.
Move your hand. Move your hand.
Put it in my hand. I'm Han Solo. This
You know
feels
you can
better.
just get up and go to the sink and wash your hands off.
I know. I don't want to let it go though.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let my butt go.